Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Uh-oh. We got a serious contender. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, my client knows what he wants. Oh, I love this bed. Oh, it has a bench. It's a 3-2. Ooh. Luxury vinyl plank. All right, how much is this one? This one is this is $429. Okay. Okay, I love this. So this is a Jack and Jill. A Jack and Jill. All right, they have a bathroom in between. Okay, I don't think this is winning from the last one. He loved the first one. I told him if he didn't like that first one, I don't know if we could do business together. Oh, he loved it too. Well, we are still exploring all the options. Right. What do we got over here? All right, this is not as cute. You go ahead and look at it, sir. I'm going to let you look at your leisure. Remember, this one is $429, so it's at the top of your game. It's a 3-3. It has that half bath like the other. This one is 2383 square feet. 2383. So it's pretty big too. Right. This kitchen. Okay. Got built-in appliances. Ew. See what the owner's retreat looks like. Oh, this is a cute little area here. Mud bench. We don't have carpet. This is nice. Vaulted ceiling. Uh-oh, you got some options. Oh, I don't know. Ew. And there's no carpet in here. Ooh. This is going out to your garage. Oh my, you know what, sir? We got a 3-car garage. He has multiple cars. Ooh. This has a 3-car tandem garage, I forgot. This is what we call the 3-car tandem. You know this one has a 3-car garage? What did you think about the backyard? That 3-car garage, I know you got multiple vehicles. I don't know. Space-wise is about the size of that other one. Oh. This is a nice backyard, too. Oh, so clean. Ooh. Ooh-wee. I've given him some heavy hitter start now. That's what we wanted to do. This one is $429, been reduced $10,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Has 2383 living space. All right. Decisions. Thanks for watching, guys.